Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a good day. Caught a nice chunk of that down move we had today for FOMC. Just looking at the charts, I mean, we have filled a lot of a lot of stuff below. However, uh, never yesterday we filled in this imbalance, this volume imbalance on ES, and we came back up, and then and then early, yesterday early morning, this order block was an issue. We hit it and then we rejected. Same thing today. Came up this morning. We had a nice little push up pre-market into the open today, and then if you look at the CE of this order block wick, you can see we rejected perfectly to the CE of this order block. I wish I would have seen this earlier. I did not see this this morning. I didn't pay attention to the daily. If I seen this, would have been a little more bearish today. I kind of was still 50-50. Thought we would get some kind of pump because ES did leave a ton of equal highs today, so it kept me leaning like a little bit. You see, like 4,500 is a big. It's gonna be a big area. We left a bunch equal highs there, and now when we have equal highs sitting at 4507.50, I believe. Yeah. So we have more sitting at 4507.50. So these would be areas to look at once we have better confirmation that longs are coming, but not really worried about those. We want to see like a higher time frame showing us the price is ready to move back up, and right now we just do not have that. We closed back below this volume imbalance. You see, today we closed. Yesterday we respected this daily FVG. Today we have now closed below it off the order block rejection wick here. And now, I mean, from here you pretty much would expect uh, this low to be your next target at 44.13. And that's pretty much what I'm looking at on ES. Nothing I'm really like. I'm gonna want to see to even get any kind of like bullish sense. I'm gonna want to see like an hourly or like this 4 hour be violated before we know we're or we take 44.13. Whatever happens first. Want to see what happens coming into tomorrow. However, I also would not be looking for shorts here just because there's so much down movement here. Like maybe we get some kind of like retracement, back up into back up into this hourly or so before we get a nice pullback. So maybe up to like 44.74 or so. We don't have to. We could obviously just keep dumping, but from my standpoint, I just won't short until we get some kind of pullback, and then maybe like if we get some kind of confirmation after going above the point 0.5, then we can look for shorts again. But from here, I'm either just gonna wait for some kind of short setup on a retrace, or wait for 44.13 to happen. So that's what I'm looking at on ES. And then, of course, once we get a little more bullish, we'll be looking for the 4500 and the 4507 equal highs. NQ, same story as well. Same order block as ES had. You see the wicks here. The CE was perfectly respected today on this order block, and we rejected. Again, wish I seen that. That told us as soon as this like rejected today, and like we got like good displacement down. That should have told us that okay, we should at least be aiming for 248 today. You see we cleared that by a mile. We did, and then I think we rejected. We still had this volume imbalance that I mentioned this morning. That if we got bearish today, we could come fill this. That's exactly what happened. Same thing as ES. We closed below this little daily FVG. This thing stood no chance today. We just went right through it. Um, Looking on the hourly, there's not much else where price can hang on to. The only Once this breaks right here, once this hourly breaks, we know for sure that we can expect price to go to 14,940 would be the next target that I'd be looking at on NQ. So as soon as we break 15,073, that's our next stop is another 140 points down. So that's where I'm looking on NQ. Nothing else to really talk about, guys. That's where we are. Same thing on NQ. Want to see some hourlies violated. We did leave some equal highs on the 15-minute chart up here at 392. Those will be a target here in the future. Obviously not now, but once we start to get a little more bullish, we have equal highs sitting right here. So just something to keep on your charts whenever this thing does turn around. Maybe this hourly holds overnight. We wake up to some kind of thing, to some kind of pump. Maybe not. This hourly should tell us everything we need to know. Maybe we get some kind of retracement up here, zero point 0.5 above the 0.5 fib into a premium, and now we get a nice short down to 14,940. But other than that, that's what I'm looking at. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we will see you tomorrow.